How to open downloaded files on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, I'm gonna download a file. Here I'm gonna open my Safari. Here I'm gonna just randomly search for PDF of Mount Everest. I'm gonna download this one file. It is in the process to be downloaded. And after completion of its download, now how to open it. For that, you can close this and you have to open your files app. You can get this app easily in your phone. If it is not available in your phone, then you can head towards the app store and search for it, and you can just download it from there. This is free of cost. You can easily download it, and after you download it, you can tap on open, and in the recent you will find that file. All you have to do is tap on it, and here you can see that I just got the downloaded file. This is how you can easily open downloaded file on iPhone. This was it. I hope now you guys are clear about how to open downloaded file on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.